Hello everyone, it's Suzanne from Printerland, and today we're looking at the Epson EcoTank ET-2862, a multifunction colour inkjet printer. The Epson EcoTank ET-2862 is so sleek and compact you might think that this is just a printer, but no, this can also scan and copy. This eco-friendly device is shipped with an impressive 3,600 pages of black and 6,500 pages of CMY replacement ink bottles. These bottles are designed to make refilling your printer hassle and mess-free. All you do is match the bottle to the ink tank like so, and it's as easy as that. And what's more, these deceptively small ink bottles are equivalent to 72 traditional ink cartridges, saving you up to 90% on your printing costs. That's impressive. I'm just going to load some paper. We have a 100 sheet input tray here, which is a handy size for home offices or small businesses. This device is Windows and Mac compatible, so I'm going to print wirelessly from my laptop, but you can also print via USB by connecting a cable here and Wi-Fi Direct. The print speeds are impressive too, with up to 33 pages per minute for mono, up to 15 pages per minute for colour, and a first page print time as fast as 10 seconds. Print quality is also amazing. We have a maximum resolution of 5,760 by 1,440 dpi. You can see here that the graphics are beautifully sharp and vibrant. The scanner is great too, with a resolution of 1200 by 2400 dpi. And although this is technically a smaller resolution than the standard print, both look pretty fantastic. Let's see them side by side. The Epson EcoTank ET-2862 offers efficient printing without sacrificing quality or speed. With multifunction capabilities including print, scan and copy, this all-rounder is perfect for anyone looking for high-quality prints with ultra-low printing costs. For more details about this model, just click the link below in the description or pick up the phone to speak with one of our printer experts. That's all for today, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our latest videos.